Amy is at a carnival with her dad and she has balloons. How fun! Welcome. Let's read, up and away. The special word in this story is the sight word, away. Away. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. I get 3 balloons. I get 3 balloons. My red balloon flies away. My red balloon flies away. My blue balloon flies away. My blue balloon flies away. My yellow balloon flies away. My yellow balloon flies away. Look, my balloons go up and away. Look, my balloons go up and away. Dad goes away. Dad goes away. Dad gets me a new balloon. Dad gets me a new balloon. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green. Away. Can you read this page? It says, my red balloon flies away. Can you also read this page? It says, my blue balloon flies away. Read. Who goes away? Amy's dad. It says, Dad goes away. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story. Away. Okay. Let's play some games. And practice spotting the word away. First, can you find the word away? Which is the word away? Away. Again, find the word away. Here it is. Away. Last one. What letter does the word away start with? Away. It's A. Away. Thanks for reading with me. You can read more sight word stories on our channel. Like and subscribe to practice more reading.